Imagine this, you're stranded at sea, a small life raft, the sun beating down, thirst gnaws at you. The heat is relentless and there's no shade. Your lips are cracked, your skin is burning, and every breath feels like you're inhaling fire. The isolation is overwhelming and the vastness of the ocean makes you feel insignificant. You see endless water all around. The horizon stretches infinitely, a never-ending expanse of blue. It's both beautiful and terrifying. The waves gently rock your raft, a constant reminder of your precarious situation, but you can't drink it. Salt water will kill you. It's tempting, right? The water looks so inviting, shimmering under the sun. You dip your fingers in, feeling the coolness, but you know it's a deadly trap. When you're desperate, any water seems better than none. But seawater is different, it's packed with salt. Drinking it will only make you thirstier, accelerating dehydration. Your body craves hydration, but seawater is a cruel illusion. Way more than your body can handle. Consuming it can lead to severe health issues, from kidney failure to brain damage. In this vast ocean, survival hinges on resisting the urge to drink the very thing that surrounds you. Our kidneys are amazing organs. They work tirelessly day and night to keep our bodies in balance. These bean-shaped powerhouses filter out toxins and excess substances from our blood, ensuring that we stay healthy. They filter our blood and get rid of waste. But they have limits. Each day they process around 50 gallons of blood, extracting waste and extra water to form urine. However, they can only handle so much. Seawater has about 35,000 parts per million of salt. This is far beyond what our kidneys can manage. Our kidneys can only handle about 9,000. When faced with such high salt levels, they struggle to keep up. Drinking seawater overwhelms your kidneys. They can't keep up. The excess salt draws water out of your cells, leading to dehydration and other serious health issues. The salt builds up in your body. This accumulation can cause severe damage to your organs and disrupt the delicate balance of electrolytes. This throws everything out of whack. Your body becomes a battleground, struggling to maintain equilibrium. The consequences can be dire, leading to symptoms like nausea, confusion, and even seizures. That salt buildup? It triggers a chain reaction. Your body tries to flush the excess salt. You get thirstier, you get dizzy and weak, your cells start to shrink. Severe dehydration sets in. Your organs struggle to function. You can experience seizures, hallucinations, even death. Seawater is a killer. So, what to do if you're lost at sea? First and foremost, stay calm. Panicking will only waste your energy and dehydrate you faster. Conserve your energy by staying as still as possible and avoiding unnecessary movements. And most importantly, find ways to collect rainwater. Rainwater is your best source of hydration. Use any available materials like tarps or containers to catch and store as much rainwater as you can. Even a small amount can make a big difference. Even your sweat can be collected and drunk. It might sound unappealing, but in a survival situation, every drop of liquid counts. Use a cloth to soak up sweat and then wring it out into a container. There are also desalination kits. These handy devices can turn seawater into drinkable water by removing the salt. If you have one, make sure you know how to use it properly. These remove salt from seawater, making it safe to drink. Desalinated water can be a lifesaver, but remember, the process can be slow and requires effort, so use it wisely. But they're only for emergencies. Always have a backup plan and ration your supplies carefully. Your emergency gear is your lifeline, so use it sparingly and only when absolutely necessary. Remember, the best way to survive is to be prepared. Before setting out, make sure you have a well-stocked survival kit and know how to use every item in it. Preparation can make the difference between life and death in a survival situation.